Hi, good morning. வாழ்க வளமுடன். I am Madhavan from Bangalore. This is a continuation of the serial we started yesterday on life energy, life force, biomagnetism, Uyir, Prana, Atma, all are one and the same. So, as I said, now to understand the concept of life force with a scientific background, we need to be clear about certain basic sciences. Now, let us say this is a life force or life energy. So we have to understand what is this force, what is this energy, are they one and the same? Does science tell us that it is the same or is it different? So I need to give you some kind of an explanation about the force we are talking about. Now, for example, let's say there is a person whose weight is about 60 kilos, 60, okay. Now, his force or weight is 60 kilos, but his pressure will be different. You may ask how. When he stands up, his pressure is 60 kilos per square foot. But when he lies down, his pressure will be 6 kilos per square foot. See the difference? Now this person is about 5 feet tall and 2 feet wide, and he stands on his feet. His feet, if you measure, maybe 1 feet by 1 feet. I am making it simpler, okay, so that understanding is better. If it is 1 feet by 1 feet on which he stands, it is called 1 square foot. That 1 square foot carries 60 kilos. So therefore the pressure he applies through his foot is 60 kilos per square foot. 60 kilos. Now let us say now he lies down. When he lies down on his back, he is 5 feet tall, 2 feet wide, and he occupies an area of 5 into 2, 10 square feet. Now 60 kilos on 10 square feet will give a pressure of 60 by 10, which is 6 kilos per square foot. Now you understand, the same person with the 60 kilos, when he stands up, he gives a pressure of 60 kilos per square foot, and the same person when he lies down is giving a pressure of 6 kilos per square foot. Now you can see a person who is standing and doing and walking and running spends more energy per second as compared to the person who is lying down. because his pressure is only 6 kilos per square foot, and you will be spending very less energy per second. So understand, the pressure is not the force. Pressure goes by the area of application. That pressure to how much area you apply is important. So now you know what is pressure, what is force. Right. Now this pressure and force, why are they required? You know, the force is necessary and essential. If you want to move something, if there is any movement, force is required. So you can look at your own body. So there are so many movements outside, so many movements inside. The outside movements are, you are swinging your hands, moving your legs, stretching your arms, jumping here and there, right? Doing some household work, writing, right? Drawing pictures. This is all work you are doing. These are all movements that happens. If you take inside, the heart is pumping, the lungs are expanding and contracting, your liver is functioning, your stomach is functioning, your kidneys are functioning. There is a blood circulation system that functions. There is a air circulation system that functions as a respiratory system. There is a heat circulation system that functions as a nervous system. All these are moving. They are moving, they need the force. And the force to be applied on a continuous basis, means with respect to time. It is not just one application of force. The force need to be applied continuously on a time scale. So the force with the time becomes energy, right? You can apply this force continuously for 1 hour, then you have 1 hour energy. After 1 hour, there is not sufficient energy, you will slow down. That's how the energy is to be understood. Energy gives you the time to keep working. Right. Now, this we call as the life energy necessary for our body system to work. Now, where does the body gets this energy? The body gets this energy from outside, from the universe. That's why I said yesterday, the universe is a huge energy ball, okay? And human being is a tiny energy ball. The huge energy ball keep playing with the tiny energy ball in transforming energy between them. Universe gives energy to the human give the energy, or he spends the energy back to the universe. This is the transformation of energy. You know that universe is so huge, the universal energy. Human is so small, that is bioenergy. The same thing Maharishi says, there's a universal magnetism and this is biomagnetism. So when I say life energy, is nothing but biomagnetism. That's why I felt to understand the magnetism, you need to understand electricity. To understand electricity, you need to understand pressure. If you understand this clearly, then you will sure understand the life energy also clearly. Now, let us say, now there is a pressure inside the body. Normally, doctors say you got your blood under pressure. Normal pressure is 120 by 80. Then doctor says you got a normal temperature. Normal temperature is 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. And then the doctor says your oximeter is something fixed onto your fingers that tells you if it is anything above